Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So the labs are drawn at 12 and 36 hours of life in a preterm infant. The infant, who weighs 1.4 kg or 1440 gram, is receiving starter parenteral nutrition at 6 ml per hour, which is equivalent to total fluid of 100 ml per kg per day. So what do you guys think, based on the labs and the TPN details, what do you guys think is the correct choice here? Okay, the correct choice here is that infant received 320 milligram per kg calcium via starter pin. So we'll show you the answer in the next slide, but let's see why the others are not the correct choices here. So the first one is, here you go, the creatinine level indicates renal failure. So you see at 12 hours, if you look carefully, let's look at creatinine. So creatinine was 4.1 and now after 36 hours it has come down to 1.5. 4.1 creatinine, within the first 24 hours indicates maternal creatinine, and in this case mom does have renal issues and her creatinine was 4.4 and is coming down. So this is not renal failure, and the word renal failure itself should not be used. If the word used is acute renal injury or kidney injury, then you might think of it, but there is nothing else provided. What is the urine output? Is the patient oliguric or not? So based on that, choice B is not the right choice. Now what about C? The infant is overhydrated. If you see a 36-hour-old infant receiving 100 ml per kg per day is within the required fluid limit, so this is not overhydrated. And also, if you see the sodium trend, let me rub it off so that you can see. If patient was overhydrated, you will have a dilutional hyponatremia, which is not the case. So based on the sodium and the total fluid, choice C is not the right choice. Now what about dextrose solution? They said it's low. If you look at TPN, the dextrose selected here is 10%. And if you go here and look at your sugars, so sugars are not high. Sugars are within normal limit. So this is also a wrong choice. This sugar solution used in this TPN, which is 10%, is completely okay. So now let's go to the next slide and see how we came up with 320 milligram per kg of calcium via starter pin. So here is the detail. As you see here that this is 250 ml and 250 ml contains about 806 milligram of calcium. So easy math. You divide this by this, you get 3.2 per ml, and patient is getting 144 ml, patient receiving 24 hours, because 6 ml per hour. So do the math and divide by the kilogram, so you get 320 milligram per kg. So the idea here is, whenever you start a preterm infant on parenteral nutrition containing calcium, just make sure to see what is the amount of calcium. This is kind of a standard solution, so you can change it, but this way you provide some calcium in first 24 hours of the life before you have a customized TPN. So I hope this makes sense and you guys have learned something together today. Please do like and subscribe our channel, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.